When these people heard strange noises, they couldn't figure out where they were coming from. Eventually, the source of the sound left them stunned. It was coming from a vase. Due to its depth, it was hard to see what was inside. Something seemed to be stuck and didn't want to come out. Despite tapping on the vase, nothing worked. Finally, they tilted it gently to take a closer look. Suddenly, a small bird peeked out from the darkness. It turned out to be their pet parrot. Even after spotting its owners, the bird refused to leave its cozy spot, forcing them to carefully retrieve their feathery friend.